Hello, and welcome to the FileAid RDX overview. Here you will learn how FileAid Related Data Expert, or simply RDX, can address your testing needs. While users have experienced a seeming explosion of data, we know that it resides in a machine someplace, and it must be maintained by, lucky you, the IT organization. Oh, don't worry, we didn't keep her in there. In any case, the huge volume of data can make testing more difficult and time-consuming. Using full copies of production data may no longer be feasible because they cause long testing cycles. However, IT professionals need data that represents production. Compuware offers a solution, FileAid RDX. In a nutshell, FileAid RDX offers developers and database administrators an efficient way to extract and load synchronized subsets of related DB2 and MVS data. It actually does more than that, but remember, this is just the overview. Let's talk about your data, which is likely to be predominantly DB2 databases, and how FileAid RDX approaches an extract. Table relationships are obviously important. RDX uses a relationship repository. RI information is loaded directly, and application relationships are added by the user as needed. The repository is used during an extract to ensure that the proper tables are available to the extract processing. Since testing requirements differ widely, RDX offers sufficient flexibility to suit a variety of needs. For example, the user may choose to exclude certain tables from the extract processing. How many cycles or complete sets of data is also a choice. The number of rows to extract may be set at the table level, and selection criteria may be set at the field level. For example, testing may require only rows pertaining to banking customers with a specific account balance range, or sales orders processed after a specific date. Finally, the extract may optionally be driven by a file containing specific key values. Extending the data types beyond DB2, for those using related VSAM keyed files, application relationships may be defined between DB2 and VSAM, as well as VSAM to VSAM, for inclusion in the extract processing. Similarly, for those with IMS databases, application relationships may be defined between DB2 and IMS to include IMS root segment key values in the extract. For distributed applications in development lacking test data, FileAid RDX may be used with FileAid EX to easily populate test databases with related mainframe data. The data extracted by RDX is easily loaded by FileAid EX into Oracle, Sybase, and SQL Server tables. Column mappings can be defined between source and target tables to accommodate differences in column names, types, and lengths. We will now have a look at the mandatory screenshots. Not to worry, there are only 5. We begin at the RDX primary menu. FileAid RDX supports profiles, which are saved sets of variables that control the execution and flow of the product. With customized profiles, administrators can implement FileAid RDX with greater control and flexibility and ensure that individual users do not exceed their profile-defined parameters. The Relationship Facilitator allows for repository allocation and defining the relationship options described previously. Of course, we have access to the extract and load functions from here. As far as the other menu options, those are the "and more" mentioned earlier. Here we see that a menu is used to simplify the build of an extract specification. Subsequent panels are viewed only if chosen. Not only are customized extracts easy to build, they are also easy to run. Here we see a list of available extracts, any of which may be run simply by using the Go line command, which submits the extract job. Similar to the extract, a menu is also used to simplify the build of a load specification. Again, subsequent panels are viewed only if chosen. Finally, any available load may be run with the Go line command. To summarize the FileAid RDX benefits, the reduced volume of data allows completion of more test cycles in less time. It allows an easy refresh of related tables. It automates the preservation of data integrity and data relationships. It provides self-sufficiency for developers, and it enhances testing quality by providing a reusable test environment. This concludes the FileAid RDX overview. Thank you.